Okay, here we go, Jim. Hey, everybody, this is Chris Sapkowski, Executive Director of Marketing for Bennett International Group, the Bennett family of companies. And tonight I'm joined by Jim Cutshall, who's out on the road driving for us. Hey, Jim, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great. So tell me, where are you from and how long have you been driving for Bennett?
I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. Not originally, but that's where I've lived most of my life. And I've been with Bennett just over 3 years now, or at my 3-year mark now. I am in the pickup division. Even I drive a tractor, but I'm in the pickup RV division.
So you do a lot of power-only moves, is that right?
Campers, cargo trailers, bathroom stalls. If it fits on the trailer, it pretty much ships. Or if I can pull it, it pretty much ships.
We are in week 4 of this COVID-19 pandemic. Tell me a little bit about what it's like out there on the roads over the past couple of weeks. Kind of what are you facing out there as a driver in these conditions?
The biggest thing is not really food, but you get tired of sitting in your truck, and everywhere you go, food is, all the major truck stops have food, but you have to take it to go. Lack of cleaning supplies. Like most truck stops don't carry Lysol and hand wipes and things of that nature.
How have your habits changed to be safe and healthy out there, to keep yourself protected? What have you had to change?
Staying a little bit further away from people. Paying attention when you're inside someplace, not trying to get crowded with 5 or 6 people in a line, trying to keep some distance between everybody. Wearing gloves more. Like when I fuel, I usually wasn't thinking about it, but even the pump, the handle, the credit card reader at the pump, everybody's touching it.
So Jim, tell me where you're on your way to tonight.
I am on my way to the Javits Center in New York City.
New York City, hotspot of the COVID-19 epidemic currently, right?
There's a lot of people, and I guess it could scare. Not that it's saying that I'm not scared of it, but at the same time, you just gotta. I'm thankful to be working, and you just got to pay attention to your surroundings. So, we have to. They started. It started off a little rough, but as it's gone on, things have gotten a little easier. It seems like.
So tell me where you're on your way from, and what you're hauling tonight to New York.
I picked up in Bristol, Tennessee this afternoon from Operation Blessing a 48-foot, 8-stall shower trailer from Kohler Industries, and I'm on my way to Javits, New York, or Javits Center, New York City. They are building a hospital. We've already delivered 13 other shower and restroom trailers, not from Kohler, but from Comfort Zone in Georgia. We've delivered 13 other shower trailers and restroom trailers. They're putting 5,000 beds in this center. I believe that's what I was told. And it's supposed to be a hospital for non-COVID patients. So they're going to move the patients that are in the other hospitals that don't need to be infected into this building and try to keep everybody clean and safe and healthy. National Guard is there, police is there. It was interesting getting in there the other night. It's nice to see a lot of people getting together. It's nice to be able to continue working even in this little part of just trailers. It's I don't want to go to New York City any more than anybody else really wants to go to New York City, but it's part of the job. It's what we do, and I'm glad to do it.
So I understand that through our agents, Melinda at HMD and Sandy at the VIM terminal, that you were the first person on their list to call to do this load. Can you tell me why?
This trailer is 48 feet long, 23,000 pounds. Since Sandy and Melinda usually deal with pickup trucks, it's a little heavier than the pickup will handle. So, let me see if I can do this.
You got it, buddy.
All right, so this is a 48-foot shower trailer from Kohler. Handicap stall on the back. Uses a standard ball hitch. And like I said, last time I towed it to Virginia, it weighed 23,000 pounds.
Well, Jim, I think I speak on behalf of everybody in the Bennett family of companies. Thank you very much for what you are doing for what all of the truck drivers out there in our family and everybody in the trucking profession is out there doing. I mean, we really appreciate your efforts, your willingness to stay out there in these conditions, your safety and attention to detail as a professional truck driver. We appreciate all those aspects of you. From the entire family here at Bennett, we thank you so very much.
Well, thank you. It's hard to imagine. I've been other places, and it's hard to imagine being any other company other than Bennett right now.